Okay, so now we are on the flyer game, page 7, and we're gonna make our it where our rocks or whatever you chose for your obstacle, that once they leave, they will actually come back and loop again. All right. So let's take a peek here. So I'm going to go down, find the code for looping. There it is. Add a conditional. That's an if statement. That checks the horizontal obstacle axis property to see whether it's moved off the screen. Okay, so I'm noticing I think rock 1 is my X. So watch what happens. I'm going to grab a conditional. And then I'm going to grab a Boolean expression. So I'll say if. I'm going to get my sprite X property. The sprite X property is just like where the sprite is. Now, you might not have named yours rock 1. You can name it something else. I don't care. So pretty much when it goes over 400, it's gonzo. And I want it to like reset and jump back over here. So I'm going to set my X and Y coordinates. So my X coordinate, I want to like set back to 0 again. But my Y coordinate, I want it to be a random number, so it's not always coming back in the same place. So I'm going to go to my random number generator, beep, 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 and put it between, and I think they say that, yeah, set its Y property to a random number between 50 and 350. Bam and bam. So let's see how it works now. So this one should come back. This one right here. Let's see if it does it. Uh-oh. I got a bug. Ah, I said sprite instead of player. No, instead of, oh, it's supposed to be rock 1. Yikes. Merriman, get with the program. All right, yeah. Here we go. So there you go. So I'm watching it. I'm watching this one. Let's see what happens. Oh, there it goes. It showed up. Excellent. Now I'm going to just do the same thing with my rock 2, except that one's coming down. So I want it to reset on the y-axis. So I'm going to grab my rock 2. Actually, I'm going to get a greater than, just like before. But this one is coming down. So instead of rock X being greater than 450, I want rock Y to be greater than 450. And if it is, I want it to reset. I want, and let me change this before I forget. This is rock 2. Now you might have named your sprite something else. I don't care. That's your prerogative. Maybe you called it obstacle, or maybe you're using a different animation. And then I'm going to have my sprite X and Y here again. I want my Y to set back to 0. That'd be at the top of the screen. And then I want my sprite X to be a random number because I don't want it to fall in the same place all the time. And I think that should work. Let's see. Oop, so it says sprite X. Golly. All right, here we go. So I just got my, let's see, are they resetting? Yes. See how they're coming back? And they're coming back kind of in different spots, which will make the game better. Now, by the way, I don't care for how my up is going, so I'm going to tweak that and change my velocity here. It's not quite working how I want it to. All right, I do hope that helps. That is looping on 7.